Alright, today I'll be showing you how to update, or if you want to just uninstall the program and do it brand new again, or if you want to just this is your first time installing the program. You're gonna want to go to asellertool.com. You're gonna want to go to support. From there, you're gonna want to scroll down, and you're gonna want to click on Turbolister Release Notes. You're gonna want to do this if you just want to upgrade. You're gonna want to go to Menu, Settings, and Export, because you want your you want your stuff to be saved so you can use it again. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna want to click here. It's gonna download a file for you. All right. Once it's done, you click on it. You go to it's gonna say something about your Windows protection. You're gonna want to click on More Info. You're gonna want to press Run Anyway, and this should pop up the account control. Click Next or Yes. Then it's gonna want to tell you to do. It's gonna want to install something. Just click Install. You might already have it, but it's still good to do it because sometimes they add a little bit of things or whatever. And now it's not, there's no other install button. Just click on Repair, and it's gonna do that. Finished. Click Next. Click where you want it to put. I suggest leaving it on default, but in case you have somewhere else, you can go ahead and do that. You're going to want to click Next, and it's going to tell you to basically reboot your computer to finish all this. And that should be pretty much it. Now this might pop up for you. It has always popped up for me, but Turbolister has always worked, so I'm not sure what that is. So just click Next, click Close, and you're done. Just open up Turbolister. Mine should work after you reset your computer, of course, but mine should still work. And there you have it. It opened up. Now you can put all your info in it.